was just lucky. All my neighbors is gone. They all died around me, every one of them. There's 2 people up here on the hill, the lady right there, they're all gone.
I don't know if they don't realize how bad it is here or they're just, I don't know, kind of makes you feel ignored in a way,
That's true, but then, when you think about it, Tuscaloosa is a much bigger city, and they have a lot more injuries and probably casualties too, and so they have to concentrate where the need is needed first. And in the bigger areas, they need more help there than what they do here.
Just thinking about the brickwork, getting the brickwork up to par, up at the top there. I'm Will Selman, recovery manager with FEMA. It's not just physical and structural, it's creating a situation in which businesses can actually come back. For a town this size, it's going to be really, really hard to make use of as much space as this town has for a little main street. Back when this was vibrant and active, we shopped, we lived differently, and to take a look at the amount of building space and building lots that they have in this little 2-block area here, it's going to be really, really hard to create a situation in which enough businesses can really come back and thrive.